Blue Yatra is an initiative by Green Yatra for restoring India's coastal ecosystem via mangrove restoration and awareness. We use innovative methods like FISHBONE Channel, which mimics nature to artificially inundate areas that do not get regular tidal inundation. Awareness sessions and mangrove trails are held where volunteers get a hands-on experience on mangrove restoration and to appreciate the biodiversity which depend on it. India has the fourth largest mangrove area globally, hosting more than 4,000 species, the world's highest. These mangroves are not just trees. They are the lifeline of our coastal biodiversity, and with every sapling planted, we're taking a step towards a greener, healthier future.